Okay, so this is a quick demo for SharePoint Find and Replace. I have this online SharePoint online demo site called Demo, and it has several subsites. So if I go to site contents, I have these subsites, and I uploaded several documents. Actually, it's the same document that I copied several times, and each such document has some text, and I created two embedded links. Both include the string src. So this one it links to source.com, src.com, and this one links to some other URL that includes the string src, and I also have the string src here. So I have this document in the top level site, in demo site, and in several subsites. And now I'm going to run the SharePoint Find and Replace tool to find and replace that string in all the subsites. So I'm starting the application. So I would like to find the string src and replace it with target, with tgt, and ignore case. And let's add this couple. And moving next, I need to connect to the sites that I would like the tool to make the search there. And the URL that I want to search. So I want to search this site, and all subsites. So I left the include subsite checkbox checked. Let's validate the login. Okay, so I'm okay. I can move to the next tab. And here I'd like to discover and replace also. So I'm checking this option. And actually, I don't want to search any of these. I just want to search documents. Just let's have this log file and include text in Office documents. And I'd like to search all these types. I don't mind. And you know what, let's make the search process quicker by providing a pattern. So all my documents are located in documents library. So that's what I want to search. And let's click run replace. Okay, so execution completed, and it found 15 occurrences of the string, and this is what I expected because I have 5 Word documents in the top site and in the subsites. So let's open the log file, and this is the log file. Let's have a look at it. Okay, so first site that was searched is the top level one demo, and I see tokens were found 1, 2, 3 were found in this test doc file, and then I see that the files were updated after replace, and same thing I see in other sites. So I see it also in forms. Documents were updated, document test document 2 and test document 3, and also in another French subsite, it's this one, which I had document number 5 located, and number 4 was located in scan 1 subsite, and it was also updated. So I see that the files, the string was found in the files and was updated. Let's see the actual result in the site itself. So let's open this one, for example. Okay, so here I had src, sorry, I had src.com as the link, and now I see it's tgt.com, and here it's also I see www.tgt.com instead of src, and also here it was replaced. So this was just a quick example how you can configure the source and target strings to replace in Office documents in several subsites.